Hey guys! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock profile on Netflix. So let's get into it. First of all, open Netflix and log into your account. Click your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. Select Account from the drop-down menu. Click the profile you want to lock. Hit on the drop-down arrow and tap on Profile Lock. Enter your account password when prompted. Select your 4-digit PIN to unlock your Netflix profile. Click Save to apply changes. Now I'm going to show you what that looks like once I open up Netflix and click on that profile that I have set the PIN for. So I'm going to tap on the profile, and as you can see here, it has prompted for the PIN. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.